Assalamu alaikum, dear students. This is our part 2 of article session. In first session, we discussed how articles, I mean definite article and indefinite article, plays a part especially in sound practice. We understand with some examples that how indefinite article and determined by sound practice, and we even understood from the definite articles how we use the and the. We discussed in the previous class. Today it is very important for student in entrance test that how definite articles is determined. This is a great good topic in which we will discuss two things: where definite article is used and where definite article is not used. Here I have drawn two emojis or emoticons. One is reflected as happy and one is reflected as sad or unhappy. Seems that this portion carries many things in which we will add that these are the things in which we put definite article definitely. But here, the sad one, they carry a few points in which we are not putting definite article, and even this portion is said because of that unfortunately the is not used in these directions. Let us start from where we have to use definite article the. And now student, the happy emoticon reflects something that such are the reasons in which we put definite article. Keep in your mind one thing, I have written all these things together, it is not sufficient, but we will make the practice of individual sentences, exceptionals and logic and MCQs, how to use them in proper way. This is just a bird eye view, aerial view in which we have just incorporated the all things together in order to understand. Student, whenever we have some little sort of information and when we are go in detail, it would even aid to our interest that something we have some information in order to develop the curiosity in this regards. However, this portion, I mean definite article the is used. Kithe used in the some reasons are written over here. Starting from the first one, as we have even exercise in first year, exercise number 1 and exercise number 2, in which you will see some logic reasons are even discussed. So this is just a comprehensive way to highlight those places where we put the and those places where we do not put definite article the. See, first of all, before superlatives, I mean degree. Wherever you have superlative degrees, I mean he is the best student of the class. Best the, we use definite article there. Sometimes we have before adjective in comparison degree. What is that? He is the better of the two. Otherwise, we cannot use the definite article with comparative degree. But when we use he is the better of the both, he is better of the two, we can use the before better as a comparative degree. Second one, positive degree without noun. This we have done already in subject verb agreement, and even a student asked the questions. What questions? Sir, how we use the and without noun can be plural one. So this one, the brave are bold, the foolish, the fool do not understand the matters properly. So this is what adjective without noun use a definite article the, it carries plural verb is there. Third one. Fourth one, what singular noun, common noun. Sometimes we use the definite article the, it representative the whole class. The cow is useful animal. The cat likes comfort. Like that. We use representative the whole class in this way. Visiting place for secondary purpose. Visiting places. Carry on one. Shops, hospitals, schools, markets, etc. Where we every day go to purchase, to do something in this way. If anybody is going to hospital, maybe it's doctor, maybe patient. If anybody is going to school, maybe student, maybe teacher, maybe employee. But when we use such places definite article the, it doesn't mean that these are going there with the same purpose as we think. Suppose a person is going to school, he goes to school, no article is there, but we say he goes to the school, it means the person is going to school, has no regular work there, has no primary purpose, but secondary purpose what? Maybe his parent, maybe he is a visitor. So we will put a definite article the even there, visiting place. Proper names, proper places of the names we use definite article. Musical instrument, lot of musical instrument you must be familiar with the words musical instruments like flute, like xylophone, like tamburo. More than 50 words you must have in your mind. A musical instrument, put definite article there. Kingdom, republic, states. We do not use as I am writing here countries. In countries we are not in a position to put the definite article the, but a few countries are like UAE, like USA, like USA. It doesn't mean that it has only abbreviations, but they are a combination of states, republics, UAE, even West Indies, because of what islands, Philippines. So some countries are there. They have kingdom, republic, and states. We put definite article. Otherwise, we cannot use definite article the with any country, right? Okay, it has done. Proper name as common name. Proper names as common name. Sometimes we are not using. We'll write here proper names, right? Proper names, your name, my name, we are not using, we do not use a definite article, but proper names is common. If I say to any student that he is the Shakespeare of Pakistan, she is the Arundhati Roy of Asia, if I say in this regards, proper name जे अॻियां असां छा हणी छॾियोसीं द हणी छॾियोसीं त उते जंहिंसां असां कंहिंखे कंपेयर कयूं कंहिं कॉमन खे त असां उते बि इस्तेमालु करे सघूं था पिया. ही लिखियल आहे रीज़न ऑफ लोकेलिटी. रीज़न ऑफ लोकेलिटी जो मतिलबु छा हूंदो आहे? ख़बर आहे त असांखे मटीरियल नाउन हूंदा आहिनि. शुगर मटीरियल नाउन हूंदो आहे. साल्ट. कॾहिं कॾहिं असां घर में चवंदा आहियूं वेयर इज़ द शुगर. Why? Because the listener and speaker they are very much familiar with the sugar which is uh, which is present in the home. If you are sitting on the dining table, you can use please pass the salt. हाणे जो मतिलबु आहे असां इन्हनि में मटीरियल नाउन्स या एब्स्ट्रैक्ट जेके नाउन हूंदा आहिनि असां उन्हनि में बि असां नथा इस्तेमालु करे सघूं, पर लोकेलिटी जे हिसाब सां हुजे त उन में इस्तेमालु करे सघूं था पिया. सपोज़ हिन जो हिकिड़ो ॿियो रीज़न बि आहे. सपोज़ एनीवन knocks at the door and asked about any family member of, suppose he say, where is Ali Haider? So what would be the reply? He is in the mosque. The mosque is common noun, but the listener and the speaker knows that in this locality there are many mosques in every directions. But the mosque we are talking to, listener and speaker is familiar with. ही उन ई मस्जिद में वेंदो आहे जिते रोज़ मां उन सां मिलंदो बि आहियां. ही जिते चए थो पियो त उते ई हूंदो, माना एड्रेस में न ॿुधाईंदुसि पर उते वञी पुॼी सघे थो पियो. लाइक दैट रीज़न ऑफ लोकेलिटी ॿिनि तरीक़े जी हूंदी आहे. Decades in the I was fond of the films of the 80s and 90s. 80s, 90s, decades we use definite article there. Sometimes it happens noun plus of plus noun. Noun of noun. We use grammar में ही अब लिखा होगा n of n. Noun of noun we use definite article. कॾहिं कॾहिं ईंदो आहे एडजेक्टिव प्लस नाउन. असांजी किताब में बि एग्जाम्पल आहिनि, उन्हनि में बि असां अहिड़े क़िस्म जो इस्तेमालु कंदा आहियूं. उन खां पोइ ईंदो आहे छा, प्लूरल नेम्स फॉर फैमिलीज़, जेको असांजो सब्जेक्ट वर्ब एग्रीमेंट जी लास्ट टॉपिक बि हुई. The Memons are coming. It means all, not all Memons, but just single family in which consisting of husband, wife and children. जेकर हिन में ईअं अची वञे त उन में बि असां अहिड़े क़िस्म जो इस्तेमालु कंदासीं. Before ordinal numbers, cardinal number ऐं ordinal number हूंदा आहिनि. 1 2 3 4 5 6 इहे कहिड़ा नंबर आहिनि? इहे आहिनि cardinal numbers, पर जिन में असां ordinal number इस्तेमालु कंदा आहियूं. फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ, उन्हनि में असां डेफिनेट आर्टिकल इस्तेमालु कंदासीं. कॉमन नाउन मेंशन्ड सेकंड टाइम. कीअं हूंदो आहे इहो? पैराग्राफ पढ़ूं था पिया. यू आर गोइंग थ्रू पैराग्राफ. In the paragraph your topic is cow. When you are using second time in second sentence the same cow, do not use definite indefinite article but the. Because of repetition of the noun we use this one, common noun. Before directions, in the west, in the east, use this portion in this directions in proper way. Before titles, what we use here is before directions. This is before titles. Qaid-e-Azam is name. Qaid-e-Azam Mohammad Ali Jinnah is name, and Qaid-e-Azam is title. We use the with the titles as well. Certain newspapers, magazines, almanacs, we use what? We definite article with them. But there is an exceptional as in written in books what? Dawn newspaper in Pakistan, we are not using definite article the. We'll discuss in when we go in details this one. Certain magazines, adverb of comparison. The more you study, the more you learn. The higher you go, the better you feel. This is just adverb in comparison we use in this way. Nations and race. Nations and race what? Suppose English are. English, if it is language, we do not use the article. If it is subject, we do not use. But if it is race, nation, we use definite article there. And one thing more. One thing is whatever the place is unique in the world, rare in world, we use the word definite article the. Like Mohenjo-daro, Eiffel Tower, like Muslim of Qaid-e-Azam. we use definite article the in this regards. So this is portion, happy portion has carries almost 22 reasons by which, maybe more than that. We'll go in detail and find if there is more than 22. We'll discuss all these things together. Now coming towards this said emoticons doesn't take any definite article because has some reasons, and we'll discuss all these things together. This portion is unhappy because it has less number, and unhappy because does not carry definite article itself. Yes, student, unhappy portion. Unhappy portion, why? Because this portion takes little number, small number of reasons, and unfortunately does not take definite article there, because that's why the portion is unhappy. Okay, see here, as I have told you, kingdom, republic and states, these are no doubt countries, but whenever we have UAE, USA, KSA, UK, USSR, West Indies, they take definite article there. Even countries in which has a plural number takes plural noun, West Indies and Philippines. So sometime name of the countries, cities, province, towns, villages does not take definite article. But if you take them direction, Pakistan does not take the, but if you say East Pakistan and West Pakistan, direction is included, then we use definite article the. But there is an exceptional, if we use Punjab as a province. Punjab, the reason is written in books that is what? That is has a 5 rivers, that's why has a portions, as in West Indies, as in portions in islands, we use definite article. So it would be the Punjab. Second thing, mountain, I forgot from this portion. When we have ranges of mountain like Himalayas, we use definite article. But if we have single mountains like K2, we do not know the names of mountains. तो कीअं लिखियल हूंदो? कॾहिं कॾहिं लिखियल हूंदो आहे एम, कॾहिं कॾहिं लिखियल हूंदो आहे माउंटेन, लफ़्ज़ हूंदो आहे एम डैश हूंदो आहे या एम हूंदो आहे। हे वर्ड जेकॾहिं हुजनि, नालनि जी ख़बर न आहे अलाए केॾा माउंटेन आहिनि दुनिया में, पर इहे वर्ड हुजनि त पोइ असां उन्हनि में डेफिनेट आर्टिकल न हणंदासीं। प्रॉपर नेम्स, माण्हुनि जा नाला हुजनि त असां डेफिनेट आर्टिकल न हणंदासीं। अॻु में ई ॿुधाए चुको आहियां, मटीरियल नाउन ऐं एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन, ऑनेस्टी इज बेस्ड पॉलिसी, एंड ऑनेस्टी इज द बेस्ट पॉलिसी। बेस्ट जे करे द लॻे थो, ऑनेस्टी छा आहे, एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन आहे, द न लॻंदो। मटीरियल नाउन कहिड़ा हूंदा आहिनि? जेके मटीरियल हूंदा आहिनि, नेचुरल, आर्टिफिशियल, उन्हनि में असां डेफिनेट आर्टिकल नथा आणे सघूं। नेम ऑफ डिज़ीज़िस, इन्हनि में वरी हिकिड़ी ॿ डिज़ीज़ अहिड़ी आहे जेका मम्स आहे, मीज़ल्स आहे, जमा जे करे आहे या एक्सेप्शनल केस आहे, उन्हनि में द लॻे थी, न त जेके बि डिज़ीज़िस आहिनि उन्हनि में द माना आर्टिकल न लॻंदो। हिन महिल कोविड-19 तो हले पियो, नई बीमारी आहे, पर हिन में आर्टिकल डेफिनेट नथा आणे सघूं, या असां वटि मुख़्तलिफ़ आहिनि। नेम ऑफ डिज़ीज़, नेम ऑफ कलर्स, जेके बि कलर आहिनि उन्हनि में नथा आणे सघूं पिया। नेम ऑफ गेम्स एंड स्पोर्ट्स नथा आणे सघूं पिया उन्हनि में बि। लैंग्वेज या सब्जेक्ट हुजनि उन्हनि में बि नथा आणे सघूं। उन खां पोइ नेम ऑफ पीपल, जीअं हिकिड़े लिखियल हो प्रॉपर नेम्स, उन्हनि में बि नथा आणे सघूं। नेम ऑफ मील्स, लंच हुजे, फास्टिंग हुजे, ब्रंच हुजे, डिनर हुजे, सपर हुजे, स्नैक टाइम हुजे, दीज आर द नेम्स ऑफ मील्स। असां उन्हनि में डेफिनेट आर्टिकल नथा आणे सघूं पिया। वरी ॿियो हूंदो आहे बिफोर कार्डिनल नंबर्स, या रोमन नंबर्स जेके ॿुधायो त हिते छा लिखियल हो ऑर्डिनल नंबर, हिते लिखियल आहे कार्डिनल नंबर। ऑर्डिनल नंबर लॻे थो, कार्डिनल नंबर में नथो लॻे। ठीकु आहे। उन खां पोइ वरी अचे थो पियो बिफोर टाइटल ऑफ प्रोफेशन, जीअं हूंदो आहे कैप्टन फिट्स, या वरी अची वञे छा जनरल मुशर्रफ। पहिरियों प्रोफेशन पोइ नालो अचे, असां उन्हनि में बि डेफिनेट आर्टिकल न हणंदासीं। उन खां पोइ वरी हिकिड़ो हिते असां पढ़ियो होसीं, छा पढ़ियो होसीं त विज़िटिंग प्लेस फॉर सेकेंडरी पर्पस। जेको माण्हू जाॾे वञे उनजो उहो हुते कमु न हुजे, पर हिकिड़ो विज़िटिंग प्लेस में वेंदो हुजे त असां उन प्लेसिस ते डेफिनेट आर्टिकल हणंदासीं। पर प्राइमरी पर्पस हुजे, प्राइमरी पर्पस माना स्टूडेंट स्कूल वेंदा आहिनि, टीचर स्कूल वेंदा आहिनि, कस्टमर शॉप ते वेंदो आहे, पेशेंट या डॉक्टर हॉस्पिटल वेंदो आहे। इहो उन्हनि जो रूटीन वर्क आहे, उन्हनि में असां डेफिनेट आर्टिकल नथा आणे सघूं। ठीकु आहे, प्राइमरी पर्पस। ठीकु आहे, इहे कुझु आहिनि जिन में असां डेफिनेट आर्टिकल इस्तेमालु नथा करे सघूं पिया। पर हिकिड़ो रूल आहे जेको हिननि सभिनी खे वरी ओवर रूल बि करे सघे थो पियो। हाणे जीअं हिते लिखियल आहे नेम ऑफ मील्स में असां डेफिनेट आर्टिकल नथा इस्तेमालु करे सघूं, पर मां तव्हांखे चवां द डिनर यू सर्व्ड येस्टरडे वाज लेविश। हिते द डिनर छो लॻो, उनखे पर्टिकुलराइज़ कयो वियो आहे। तो हिन सभु ओवर रूल थी सघनि था पिया जॾहिं असां इन्हनि खे असां छा कंदासीं, इनखे असां ख़ासि तरीक़े जो उनखे इम्पोर्टेंस ॾींदासीं, त उते बि असां डेफिनेट आर्टिकल इस्तेमालु करे सघूं था पिया। हाउ एवर ही जस्ट हिकिड़ो बर्ड आई व्यू आहे, एरियल व्यू आहे, पर हिनखे असां डिटेल में वेंदासीं ऐं उनखे अंडरस्टैंड कंदासीं त इहे MCQs में ऐं सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर में कीअं इस्तेमालु था थियनि पिया। विल सी इन द नेक्स्ट सेशन। थैंक यू वेरी मच स्टूडेंट्स।